Hello students, how are you? I am fine. I hope all are fine. Now discussing motion in plane, projectile motion, relation between maximum height, range, time of flight relations. So what are their relations? Shall we discuss? Yeah. The first thing, relation between first one, prove that relation between maximum height and range. So 4h by tan theta equal to r. Okay, first one relation 4h by tan theta is equals to r. Proof. So what is the proof here? 4h by tan theta is equals to r we are proving. So first 4 into h by tan theta. So what is the 4 into maximum height formula? U square sin square theta by 2g by tan theta. Tan theta means here sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. So okay. Next to 2 ones are 2 twos are is clear. Next to u square sin square theta by into cos theta by g sin theta. So one sin cancel here. So remaining value is 2 is there. 2 sin theta into cos theta into u square by g. So trigonometry formula 2 sin theta cos theta is equals to 2 sin 2 theta. I hope understood this one. So u square sin 2 theta by g. So this is proved range r. So 4h by tan theta is equals to r proved. First one this one. Next second one, prove that relation between maximum height and time of flight. Okay, relation between maximum height and time of flight. So what is there? T is equals to root over 8h by g. We are going to proof. So 8h by g root over. So what is maximum height formula? U square sin square theta by 2g by g. This is the root over. 2 ones are 2 fours are, and next here g square means finally 4u square sin square theta by g square root over. So root x square x only. So 4u square sin square theta by g square means u sin theta by 2u sin theta by g. So this is the time of flight, and second one also proved. Next third one. I hope understood all things. Next third one, prove that relation between range and time of flight. So relation between is given root over 2r tan theta by g equal to t. So we are going to prove what is there, 2 root over 2r sin theta by 2r tan theta by g equal to t. So first what is there, 2 into u square sin 2 theta by g into sin theta by cos theta by root over g. So we know sin 2 theta formula. What's 2 sin theta cos theta into to 2 into here sin theta by cos theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Here g by g square. So finally 2 into 2 4 u square, 4 u square, here u square also is there, 4 u square sin square theta by g square root over. So finally 2 u sin theta by g. This is the relation between range and time of flight. Okay, I hope understood these three relations. So one more relation is there in projectile equation, trajectory equation in terms of range. So here relation trajectory equation in terms of range. In terms of range means we know already trajectory equation y is equals to x tan theta minus half into g into x square by u square cos square theta. But we are using here in terms of range means here first what is the range, r is equals to u square sin 2 theta by g. So trajectory equation y is equals to tan theta into x minus half into g by u square cos square theta. This equation we are multiplying sin theta by sin theta. See what happened here. So y is equals to tan theta into x minus into g, x square is also is there. So here sin theta and cos theta, one tat is the forming 2 sin theta and cos theta. See here half into g into x square, 1 sin theta and cos theta tan theta. Okay, next 2 into 1 cos theta is there and sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, okay, into u square. So in terms of range, so y is equals to tan theta into x minus, this is I am writing x square into tan theta by u square sin 2 theta by g, u square sin 2 theta by g. This is range formula. So multiplying here, you are substituting a range. So y is equal to tan theta into x minus x square tan theta by, this is range, so by r. So in terms of range, tan theta is common thing, so x minus x square by r in terms of range. So I hope understood this one. So thank you very much. Next video we will discuss velocity vector, position vector related in projectile motion. Thank you very much. All the best.